Their eyes are everywhere, and then they just want everybody, every pretty girl come here, every pretty girl come here. So I believe that no matter how much he loves you, he has another one on the other side. Yeah,
somewhere
that
you'll
hiding.
never find out.
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna say that men are so good at hiding their other girlfriends?
They are not so good. They are just they know how to hide it. But also they are stupid. They don't know how to keep it nicely. They just come and say sometimes.
My twist. Yeah, there are some people who believe that love is based with something.
Like what?
Like money. You love someone because of money. You love someone because of their car. Do you believe in that statement?
Yeah.
Love is based with something.
Not all the time. Like sometimes it is.
Like that quality time, like is not it's not that much because
for most guys, the quality time they don't provide time to their
and ladies mostly they love that quality time.
Yeah,
because mostly she's based in Nairobi.
Yeah,
I'm based in Nakuru.
Yeah,
now meeting is a bit rare. Yeah, so that quality time she wants, that love, that's where
it's rare.
It's rare, I think. That one.
Love is a good thing. Love is a great thing. For those who finds love, finds a good thing. All I wanna do is introduce you guys to the new show called Love Not That Show. 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 Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Nia.
Nia. What's your name, bro?
I'm Icy.
Icy.
Yeah.
Okay, on this channel, it's all about love.
Okay.
And since you are a couple, we wanna hear your story.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
No problem.
We are cool with it.
We are cool with it. Yeah. First of all, I want you to introduce yourself.
Okay.
On camera.
I'm Icy Kin. I'm a dancer.
Yeah.
And I'm also a South Sudanese.
South Sudanese.
Yeah.
You are Mzalendo. We call it Mzalendo.
Mzalendo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For your country.
Meaning Mzalendo. Yeah.
Yeah. Introduce yourself.
Nia Daniel.
Yeah.
South Sudanese.
Yeah.
I'm a dancer, and others.
And others. And others. Okay. We'll go straight to the question. How did you guys meet?
We met.
Let's stay with they say ladies first, but today we go vice versa. Your side? Yeah.
Okay. We met 2 years ago on TikTok.
Yeah.
And then
you DM'd.
Huh?
You DM'd her on TikTok.
Yeah, I DM'd her.
Yeah.
Okay. And then those 2 years, like we were just friends, but we came and made it officially on last year November. Yeah. The first time we met.
Oh.
Like those 2 years back, like we were just friends but on phone.
Oh, not physically.
Now when we met physically, that was last year November. That's the time we made it officially.
Who made the first move?
Of course him.
Why can't it be a girl?
Why? Why should it be me?
Why not?
That is something normal. If you love a guy, so it doesn't matter who starts first.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, but you see, it's just embarrassing.
Embarrassing. You can't approach a guy.
You'll be rejected.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you
Have you ever tried?
Yeah, I did.
You are rejected.
No, of course not.
Oh, I say so. That you can be rejected by a guy. Why are you saying that?
So you can just be rejected by any guy. Like you're not everybody type of tea. So.
But you won't know until you approach someone.
Yeah.
Everyone gets rejected, of course.
Yeah.
But
even a guy can approach a girl and get it rejected.
It's normal. We are both human beings.
But
so
you see, for men, they're strong. They're not like us. We are not that strong.
Yeah. Okay.
So we will feel hard, and then it's like, no, not again.
So on your side, you can't approach any guy, even if you like him.
No, I'll just see him from afar. That's for better.
Okay. She said you made the first move.
Yeah, I made the first move. Yeah. Because
you go for what you want.
I go for what I want.
No wasting time.
Don't waste time, bro.
In life, tell them not waste time.
If she's pretty, just go do your thing. Yeah.
You go for what you want.
Go for what you want.
That is what they say.
Yeah.
What's the good thing about being in love?
Good thing about being in love?
Yeah. On your side, we go both sides. On your side, let's say, are you in love?
Yeah, I'm in love. Yeah.
What's the good thing about being in love?
Like you get to like on my side,
Yeah.
like you see, I can't be bored when she's around, so I just have to talk to her always. Whenever I'm down or what, she's just there for me. That's what I love about her, and what I love being in love. Yeah, so she's just there for me all the time.
What's the good thing on your side about being in love?
Delusional.
Yeah.
You just be delusional, imagining scenarios.
Yeah.
That's the good thing.
The good thing. Do you believe this statement that they say men are polygamous in nature? The other said first. Do you believe in that statement?
I believe, but as for me, obviously that thing it's true. But for me, I believe that for a man to be polygamous or something, maybe in that relationship, if it's not firm or stable, or you guys don't misunderstand, obviously we just go for the next person, the one that you know that will understand you or maybe love you. Yeah, that's why polygamous come in. You have to go for another. But when you guys are together, love each other the most, everything is okay. When there's a problem, you guys can settle it. Then there's no need. Yeah.
Do you believe in that statement? Believe. Why say so?
See, because men, their eyes are everywhere, and then they just want everybody, every pretty girl come here, every pretty girl come here. So he believes that no matter how much he loves you, he has another one on the other
girl,
side. Yeah.
Somewhere that you'll never find out.
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna say that men are so good at hiding their other girlfriends?
They are not so good. They are just, they know how to hide it. But also they are stupid. They don't know how to keep it nicely. They just come and say sometimes.
My twist.
Do you believe your guy? I see. Yeah, your guy I see has other girlfriends.
Probably he has, and he's hiding it somewhere.
But you'll never find out.
I can't. I can't find it.
You can.
I can't
But
find the other one.
Most girls now she has said I have it. So what if you ask the same question now? Are you hiding?
Your other guys.
No.
Because
No, I'm not hiding.
most of the
Any
girls
other
they
guys?
believe that it's only men that are hiding. What if?
What if me hiding?
Yeah.
No, I'm not actually interested in being in so many relationships.
Only
It's
two?
tiresome and it is draining. So
Yeah.
only one is good.
Oh, not true.
Yeah. What do you mean too?
Okay.
You don't want so many
It's
relationships.
draining. You talk to this one, you go and talk to this one. You have to just talk to them equally. So it's draining.
It's draining.
Okay.
There are some people who believe that love is based with something.
Like what?
Like money. You love someone because of money. You love someone because of their car. Do you believe in that statement?
Yeah.
Love is based with something.
Not all the time. Sometimes it is.
But sometimes it's not.
Okay.
Do you believe in that statement?
Obviously, I believe in that statement. Yes.
Love is based with something.
Yeah.
There is no true love.
There is true love, yes, but obviously, in these recent days, we find most of the girls are. It's hard. Let me say, it's hard, for a girl to just go for this guy, even if, yeah, it's just hard. But
There must be money somewhere.
Princess
But to find
treatment.
Princess.
those girls that are just
They
going
can be
for-
princess treatment without money.
Like which type?
Huh.
Then don't tell me quality time.
Quality
Like that. No.
time.
This is not princess treatment.
Taking flowers from the garden.
Not the garden one.
You wanna say that is not princess
No,
treatment?
this is not princess treatment.
What is that?
It's just you're just showing efforts.
So you mean that in a relationship, money is a basic need?
Money, gifting, and others.
Quality time?
Quality time comes with the gift. You see, when you come with the gift, you have quality time together. So yeah.
Okay, money or quality time?
What do you mean?
Choose
money?
one.
Both.
No, you have to choose one.
Why?
Let's say this guy is giving you money, but it's not available.
He has to be available. It is a must.
A must. So you can choose one of them.
You have to be available. If you are not available, another guy might catch you there, and then your girl is taken because he's giving her time.
Okay, I have a very good question. What makes a girl taken from a guy with someone else?
There's so many reasons.
Example?
Not giving her attention that she wants.
Yeah.
And then she calls you like, you know what, babe, I'm gonna call you back. And then you go for days without calling. So when she finds somebody who give her that attention, so she will just go with that one.
Girls love attention.
Mm.
What do guys love?
Guys,
Mostly us. We just love being loved.
they just they love the idea of they are being loved and they have a girlfriend somewhere.
Wow. Like we just love to be loved. And also quality time also, as you said, is also important.
Even to a guy?
Yeah, even to a guy. Yeah. We are both partners, so what you need is what I need. Yeah, but
Apart from the money part.
The money part. Okay. Okay, the guy has to provide. Do you believe with this statement that people say like a relationship should be 50-50?
yeah, me, I believe in it.
You believe in
Why
it?
50-50?
Do you believe in it?
Okay.
Why do you believe in it?
Let's say I'm working, my wife is working. I'm providing everything. Okay, what if I'm down or I'm bankrupt? What will happen? And she's also working. So that means she must also help.
Come in.
Yeah. Okay. Tutafungiwa rent juu.
It makes sense.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
May I believe that I provide, so she also provides. Yeah.
She provides the
Do you believe in that statement?
Provide.
the beauty.
What should you be bringing on the table?
Me?
Yeah.
Like you see, staying at home with the kids, of course, when they need something, I'm just there while you are in the house. Like when you are in the office, I'm here to provide for the kids at home. They
To
don't
take care
need
of
to
them.
call you like, Daddy, you know, we need this at home.
What if there is someone to take care of the kids?
Yeah.
Someone like who? See, I'm working.
Maybe I may bring my relatives, maybe some of my cousins to take care, and then we are both working. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, so in that case, you see, you're working. Yours, maybe you pay the rent, and then for the others. So for me, I can just like pay for the small things in the house that needed to be paid.
Yeah.
Now that small is what you are calling, as long as you're bringing something.
That's
That
50.
is 50-50
That's in
now.
marriage now. In dating, there's no 50-50.
That's what she believes in.
Yeah.
But for me, I just 50-50 is necessary. Yeah.
Love is a good thing.
This?
Love is a good thing.
I don't even know if it is a good thing.
Oh, you wanna say it's a bad thing?
Maybe it's a good thing.
Maybe it's not.
Yeah, maybe. People are just
Let
talking.
me tell you something. There are people out there that doesn't believe in love. Do you have any advice for them?
I'm one of them, by the way.
Don't believe in love. And you are.
Hey.
What do you mean?
Leave me alone. leave me.
You don't believe in love.
Going anywhere.
Don't believe in love.
Yeah, I don't believe in love.
Why say so? And
Like-
you are in a relationship?
See, I'm just in a relationship because there's nothing called love. But I don't even know how it feels like. You know?
Yep.
It's-
I don't know how.
Ask her to define what is love.
What is love? In your own words, what is love?
No. Hey.
In your own words,
In your own words.
what is love?
Now what is love?
Is it a
Your own
feeling? Is it
definition, because you
in
hear
your
about
own
love,
definition?
love,
See,
you love
it's
this
a
person, you
feeling.
love something.
So you just tell them you love them, but you know, I didn't like. I don't know what is love. I haven't found it in me to define.
You
it.
haven't found love in your guy.
This one here.
Talk.
You haven't found love, or what do you mean?
Yeah, I haven't found love.
So you are searching
Still searching.
to leave your guy.
No, I'm not gonna leave him. I'm searching. He has to show me.
Oh, you are searching from him. Oh,
He has to show me.
Oh. I don't understand.
Yeah,
To show you how.
I almost freaked out.
Eh?
You are searching
Sure,
from me.
You want him to show you
Okay.
the love.
How-
Yeah,
how?
and then I feel like I'm loved.
How?
by someone. Figure it out.
This is a class
Figure it
for
out.
the audience, for the guys. How?
Figure it out.
How? Is it because they are that?
Teach them.
Who said
As you teach your guy.
I'm not.
You know?
Sometimes you have to show a guy how to love you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
But
But now I don't have the words.
the words.
What do you mean you don't have the words?
What do you think she meant when she said that
She's
she's
searching
figured
love.
it? Yeah, from you.
I mean like like that quality time, like is not it's not that much because
For most guys, the quality time they don't
quality
provide
time
them to their
and ladies mostly they love that quality time.
Yeah,
Because you know mostly she's based in Nairobi.
yeah,
I'm based in Nakuru.
yeah.
Now meeting is a bit rare. Yeah. So that quality time she wants, that love, that's where
It's rare.
it's rare. I think that one.
So you want some quality time.
Attention.
Okay.
Noted.
You know when we meet, let's say when we meet mostly, we are together, we go out, hang out. Yeah. I think that's
You
what.
want,
That's what
you want more quality time from him.
okay.
Tell him to not.
I'll do corrections on that. I'll do corrections on that.
Kindly do.
Do he do? Okay, in this show, it's called Love Not Dust Show.
Love, not dust show.
Yeah, Love Not Dust Show.
Okay.
As we come to the end of the video, do you have any final words to the audience? Any final words you wanna advise them, tell them about love?
Love is a beautiful thing, guys.
But you don't know the meaning of the word love,
I'm still searching for it.
but it's a good thing. In your own words, as you come to the end of the show.
Love is a good thing when you find the right person. Yeah.
And you have found yours.
Yeah, me I find mine.
And you have found
You
yours.
sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure you have found yours? You sure?
What is
I've found you.
But there is
But
somewhere.
but that is
Somewhere we
coming,
can
but
feel
they
it. We can feel
Just they want
it.
to come out. But
Yeah.
There's no but.
no, but is that
But
is
some-
the
no-
one
yeah.
that I said I will correct them. So
Yeah, that but. When you correct them, then I will have no buts.
so
Till infinity.
more efforts on me.
Yeah, till you come to your wedding.
Maybe.
Yes.
Are you guys gonna invite us?
Obviously, you have to be. Mona is much welcome.
I'm welcomed.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We'll be there with my audience.
Okay.
Celebrating you guys.
Okay, no problem.
As we end the show, I want you guys to tell them, my audience, this is the Love Not Dust Show. Thank you for watching in Unison. Tell my audience, this is the Love Not Dust Show. Thank you for watching in Unison.
Okay. This is the Love Not Dust Show. Thank you for watching.
And we out.